Hey, how you doing? Austin here. This video is about Cardano ADA. Before I get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. What we're going to be talking about in this particular video is, should you invest in Cardano? Is it a good investment at this point in time? I've got a piece of content that goes over some use cases and differences between Cardano and Ethereum, so we're going to look at that. We're going to look at the overall kind of state of the union with Cardano as well. I will tell you up front, I own Cardano. I am going to be buying more Cardano. There it is, messed up. More Cardano. Say that really fast. More Cardano in the future. I definitely believe in it, and I think that regardless of if they win the war with Ethereum, I think they will continue to be a major platform, regardless of what happens of them versus Ethereum or anything like that. So we're gonna talk about all that and go through that. Also, on another note, if you're interested, I do have a private Patreon group of supporters over there. If you want to check that out, it's in the link below this video, as well as I've pinned it in the comment section if you want to go check that out. Over there, I've got a couple different levels of Patreon membership, but specifically there's one level where I will give you access and be showing you a brand new portfolio I'm going to be building for my inner circle members and showing you everything I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm holding, as well as talking overall trading strategy and things like that. So if that's of interest to you, go check that out. We'd love to have you over there. We also have a very active Discord group with a lot of really cool people and a lot of great content. All right, guys, so with that said, let's go take a look at what is going on with Cardano, and should you buy Cardano? Is it a good investment right now? Here we go. So you can see that Cardano is currently trading at $1.54. It's down just about 3%. The overall volume is down a little bit. I firmly believe that is because the overall volume in the entire crypto sector is down right now. Also, you look at what's happened here. We had a major volume spike. I've seen this across almost every other crypto out there. This all was going in line with a lot of shorting action against Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think it was happening to Cardano to a certain extent as well. I think that has backed off as far as kind of what's transpiring right this moment. 24-hour high and low respectively is $1.52 to $1.64. I think at these current levels, Cardano, if you're looking at buying and owning Cardano for the long term, I definitely think it is a good buy at this level. If you look at kind of what's transpired with Cardano in the last, let me refresh this. In the last 24 hours, we're down 2.88%, and this is actually showing Cardano being up a little bit. But you can see right here, the 1 hour and 24 hour respectively, Bitcoin is really flat in the last 24 hours, and Ethereum is the same, Tether is the same. Let me open up, let me go here and let's go to CoinMarketCap. The reason I'm going over CoinMarketCap is just to show you is that kind of what we can look here is we can also look at the 7-day chart. Okay, the 7-day price. And for the last 7 days, pretty much everything has been down. Okay, this was because of a lot of volatility and a lot of things transpiring in the overall market. Just to kind of give you proof of that, look at the charts over here on the right hand side. You have 7 days. The charts almost look exactly the same. Look at them. Look at the chart flow for Bitcoin. Look at the chart, Ethereum, Binance, Cardano. Look at this dip. Look at this dip. It's exactly the same. I mean, really, Polkadot. Everything happened here. And what this really was, hey, Solana is the only one who kind of stayed positive a little bit. There you go. It's not bad. Litecoin, they're all the same. What this was there was an overall massive shorting scenario in the last 3 or 4 days that has transpired, or specifically centered around Bitcoin. I think it bled over into Ethereum, Cardano, all those kind of things that dragged the entire market down. Okay. So with that said, that's what happened yesterday and the day before, right? But overall, I think if you're looking out and you're looking at being bullish and looking at taking a long-term position in Cardano, I personally am. I think that this is one of the main cryptos that's out there. Is it going to beat Ethereum in the overall battle of blockchain technology and all that? I don't personally care. My point to you is that it's still going to be a crypto that's going to be out there. It's going to be here for the long term. It's not going anywhere. Ethereum is not going anywhere. They have different pros and they have different cons. Cardano versus Ethereum. Cardano gets compared to Ethereum all the time in that capacity. But at the end of the day, how I look at it is I look at Cardano by itself. I own Ethereum too. I own Bitcoin too. and I'm buying more of those respectively. My point is that I love Cardano for different reasons than I love, Ethereum. Okay, and so with that said, here's this piece of content right here. Should you invest in Cardano? I found this over on U.S. News. Go check it out yourself. It's basically purported Ethereum killer Cardano is banking on energy efficiency to win over users. I don't really like that they're comparing it as an Ethereum killer. I think that that's a marketing mechanism. It's how to grab headlines and grab eyeballs, and I get that. But at the end of the day, guys, here's what it is. I don't look at Cardano like an Ethereum killer. Ethereum is, sorry, my nose is itching. It always does that when I go on video. Ethereum's not going to go away. It's getting better. They're about to go through a massive upgrade as far as the overall environment, right? And so Cardano, I like it for different reasons. I like the developing nation aspect, the use case around it, why it was built to do what it does. But also at the end of the day, it was built from the ground up to be very, very efficient, to be very, you can hear one of the dogs there. Somebody's walking. I think the Amazon guy's here. So you're about to hear the dogs go off here. So I apologize. It's a live video. Not going to edit this out. Okay. Amazon is delivering something here, so they're about to lose their mind for a minute or two. So we'll just keep on moving if you can hear them. I'm assuming you can. Okay, so again, Cardano was built for, it was built from the ground up with a very specific goal in mind, right? And obviously it was created by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. I actually really like that. I love that Charles is out as an ambassador for Cardano. He's out there talking to Mark Cuban, and he's out there, he's really, really great ambassador for it. And that brings in headlines, just, when you have somebody that's kind of out in front, like Vitalik is for Ethereum and Charles is, for Cardano. It's cool because you get that's what people gravitate towards. That's what the media gravitate towards, and you need the media and that coverage to keep people coming in and new eyeballs and things like that, and just new interest. Okay, so Cardano solves Bitcoin's excessive energy usage problem while also challenging ETH's captivating smart contracts. Here's what investors should know. What is it? It's mission for greater efficiencies in the and by the way, Ethereum has more advantages right now, right? Okay, so. Just in case you didn't know this, Cardano is the name of the blockchain platform, and ADA is the name of the token. I'm just in case you didn't know that. All right. All right. Let's move down here. So right here, Cardano seeks to offer many of Ethereum's most compelling capabilities, such as robust smart contracts, which, by the way, are coming in the midst of the Alonzo upgrade, which is expected by the end of August. Okay, which will bring smart contract functionality and enable decentralized finance applications on the blockchain. All right, so just at August, there you go. Okay, so that's talking about smart contracts. Hoskinson designed Cardano from day one to be energy efficient, support fast transaction with minimal transaction fees. That's another thing. Right now, the gas fees on Ethereum are insane. Much cheaper on Cardano. Okay. Additionally, for the hard money enthusiast, Cardano has one of the big perks. It has a strict cap of 45 billion coins outstanding, as compared to Ethereum, which has no absolute limit to its total eventual supply. I like this right here. This one, I could kind of stop right here. I like that there's a cap. Okay, there's a cap on the number of coins. Again, I'm not looking at Cardano, guys, from a day trading standpoint. I'm pretty old school from this stand. I have 30 years stock investment and experience. I'm a buy and hold guy, and I have different strategies around that. But that's kind of how I'm looking at it. So I really like that there's only 45 billion coins outstanding. Okay, programming community is active for Cardano. Okay, that's pretty cool. The biggest edge for Cardano is its energy efficiency. I would say in its proof of stake algorithm. Okay, it uses Ouroboros. That's a really cool name, by the way. Ouroboros. Say that really fast. Proof of stake algorithm is 20,000 times more efficient than Bitcoin's mining system. Its biggest, it also is Ethereum. Ethereum is not wildly efficient as things stand now, but we know that Ethereum has potential plans to moving to a proof of stake algorithm like Cardano, and that would vastly improve it. Okay, so what makes proof of stake different? Basically it's this quote: Proof of stake uses cryptocurrency as a scarce asset, like putting money into a CD or stock. Stakers promise not to spend their money in exchange for the opportunity to create blocks and earn block rewards. The probability of being selected to create a certain block is roughly proportional to the percentage of the total stake that the user controls. All right, cool. Instead of having to spend huge amounts of computing power and ecological resources to maintain the blockchain, proof of stake protocols can use a miner's token as the collateral that makes the system function. If you didn't know what proof of stake is, there you go. Okay. All right, so, and again, it has become so intriguing that Ethereum is considering moving to it. Okay, here's the thing. Ethereum has what they basically call first mover advantage against our Cardano. They were the first one into the market. Okay, and I'm going to wrap up with these thoughts. They were the first one into the market. Again, I'm not looking at Cardano, guys, as a Cardano killer. I'm looking at it as yet another environment, for other development projects. If basically somebody decides they want to build on Ethereum or they want to build on Cardano, and that's it's from a development standpoint. I really love what Cardano is doing and how they're heading and where they're and their overall outlook. I personally am going to continue to put money into them and always minimize my risk associated with that. I really do like them. So with that said, I'm going to end there because I like to keep my videos around 10 to 11, 12 at the most minutes. And so hope you got value out of this, and I'll see you down the road.